Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. Today I'll be showing you how to create the good book with the Floralnext Floral POS software. Alright, to get started, I put a wet floral foam in a floral cage that I got at my local wholesaler, and I'm just going to zip tie both sides. I'm gonna also zip tie on a egg cage at the top of this easel. And I also sprayed this easel white. It comes in brown wood. Now I'm going to start by putting in the sword fern. Then we're going to also put in another variation of different ferns to fill out or give us the base for this arrangement. Do me a big favor, my lovely flowers. Don't forget to like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. It does take a lot of time to create these videos for you. So remember, I'm giving you free education, so help me out by hitting that subscribe button. We are going to now add some Israel Ruscus throughout the arrangement. Now that I have finished the base of our arrangement, I'm going in with a white Larkspur, and we're just going to place it all around on the outer edges. And I love the little buds. They give it so much great texture. Now I'm going to come in with Queen Anne's lace, and that's also going to give it some more texture, and I just put it all around in the top and the bottom. I don't show you the top just yet. Next, we're going to put in the Ivory Roses. I twist and kind of bloom them, and we're going to also put this around the base. Don't forget the Bible goes in the middle, so in and out, high and low, all the way around the front. Now we're just going to put a few of the flowers, or roses rather, at the top. Now I'm going to add in some more Queen Anne lace to kind of fill in everything. touches, I'll be adding Astilbe. And my favorite flower, which is Lisianthus. I love the buds on these. Some people take them off and only use the flowers. I love the bud. It gives it great texture. Now I'm just going to finish off the top and probably add in a few more flowers to fill in everything to make sure it's nice and filled. And that probably will be it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, my lovely flowers, and I'll see you next time. Bye.